In essay type question, there's a number of pages written matter. No, not at all. Not at all. But candidate who writes the same matter information short way, reasonable way in bullets, definitely scores. Another thing which none of you talked about, and I should talk about, is your handwriting. Don't, for heaven's sake, the examiner doesn't want to be sitting there with a bottle of, Amritanjan and then correcting your paper. So keep your answers legible. It doesn't have to be beautiful handwriting. Some people are gifted with beautiful handwriting, and always a pressure to evaluate a paper like that. But it should be legible. Don't scribble. That examiners. I've had situations where I've actually had theory paper when the candidate came for the viva, given it to them and said, "Please read your answer." Evaluated. Now that doesn't augur very well. The examiner is already in a pretty bad mood when you come. So don't write this. If handwriting is bad, please get copywriting notebooks and spend every day half an hour improving your handwriting. It's well worth it.